What is going on, guys? It's your boy Chef Raedar here. Today we cooking some lamb ribs. Yes, not too often you get to have these, but when you do, muy bueno, magnifico, whatever it is. But anyway, we're gonna season these up. These ones are untrimmed. Again, down the road, opportunity for another video, we will get some of these that are untrimmed. But for now, it's what I was able to get pick up at the local supermarket, being Loblaws. Anyway, but yes, before we get into this, like and subscribe down below if you're liking everything that we're putting out. And yeah, if you have any ideas, if you like this video, comment, get into the community, and yeah, join the conversation. But right now, you're gonna join me diving into these and getting these suckers all good. So, I forgot my knives up north, so I am using a Rapala fillet knife. It is one of my brother's hunting knives, but should do the trick. So we're gonna break the seal on both of these bad guys. Now I have actually had these sitting at room temperature for about an hour now, just to kind of get that process started. Now, if I haven't mentioned it, you know, I'm still learning on this whole YouTube thing, but if I hadn't mentioned it in any of my other videos, then yeah, you want to get your meats up to room temperature before you throw them, you know, on whatever heat source that you have, and that's just going to help with the even cooking and getting the same consistency all the way through. Man, these packages suck. I may need to like fast forward through all this crap. All right, that took way longer than I thought it would. Anyway, we now have our lamb ribs out of the package. Now you notice these guys do still have a little bit of fat, but the big fat cap that would be on here is already taken off. I am going to take a little bit of this fat off. Lamb fat can tend to become really gamey and just be off, and some people really don't like it, and it's very much an acquired taste. But yeah, you can just clean up a little bit. I am not used to this knife. These guys are good. We are going to quickly set this off the side. I'm gonna quickly wash my hands one more time, and then we're gonna make our seasoning and rub it on there. Seasoning, like normal, very complicated recipe, and there's lots that goes into it, just kidding. But we've got salt, black pepper, last ingredient, garlic. And if I didn't mention it already, we're kind of going for equal parts of all three of them. So 33.33333% salt, 33.33333% pepper, 33.33333% garlic. Again, still learning YouTube. We're gonna bring my meat back into the frame. Then we are going to just give her a little sprinky dinky. Little sprinky dinky. Flip her over. Sprinky dinky on the backside. I just realized that doesn't sound too good. I'm gonna change my language. Always give it a little shake, move it around. Now we're gonna top this with a little bit right on the top. So at this point, as I'm flinging seasoning everywhere, at this point we are going to let it sit, let it rest for another 20 minutes with the seasoning on there, and that's gonna let some of the salt extract some moisture and then allow it to kind of reabsorb the flavor. And yeah. Then I'm gonna meet you out front. We got the smoker going in the driveway today. It's a nicer day, less wind, get the nice sunshine. And yeah, we're gonna throw these in. Looking like we're gonna probably do about an hour, hour and a half smoke. I really want to kind of bring these up to an internal of about 110, 115. And then, like we did with the meatloaf, we're gonna throw it in the oven at about 450, just to kind of really give the outside a nice crisp. Let it rest for probably another 30 minutes, and then we'll slice into it, give her a taste. All right? All right, so our ribs, they've been in for, I'd say, about an hour, 5 minutes. Dropped the temperature right down. I actually even shut the gas off for probably 20 minutes just to get a real nice smoke on them. Turned it back on. Right now we're sitting at about 100 degrees internal temperature. We are going for about 145 to get a kind of medium well doneness, but we are going to pull them out of the smoker at around 130 so then we can sear it off. And we won't overcook it by the time we sear it. So we'll bring you up and we'll give you a little check-in. Look at that beauty. All right, we'll get this guy shut. And then we will check back with you once it is at 125, and we will be pulling it and then getting it inside so we can sear it off, slice it up, and manja. All right, so we'll see you guys in a bit. All right, so we've got our cast iron pan nice and warm. We're going to, one by one, put our lamb in there. And we're just gonna sear it for maybe 45 seconds, maybe a minute, and then we're going to do the same with the other one. We'll let them rest for another probably 5 minutes, and then I'll meet you over at the main table and we can cut into it. Now we'll take a look at our color here. I'll get some nice color there. We're just holding it on the side so the other side can get some. And this quick sear is just going to render that last bit of surface fat and make it edible. So I'm going to go ahead and do this with the other one, and I will meet you over at the table. We are done. Well, not really. I haven't sliced into it yet, but you get the point. We are going to slice into this, plate it up, and then me and my family are going to eat it. You guys aren't, so it sucks to be you. But so. Let's go right from the middle, get a nice look from the middle. So our goal is to have a little bit of pink still in the meat. So it's nice and juicy, just like so. I am amazing. Look at that beauty. Wow. I don't even want to squeeze any of the juice out because it looks too phenomenal. So I'm going to cut in between every one of these bones. Same with this side. I always find it easier to go from the top down because you're just following the bones at that point. You're not going to cross any of them. So once we have it sliced up, I like to do one of these and just cross them over. And the bones are nice because they also act as a little lollipop stick, so you don't need to put anything else. You can just serve them right with the bones. like so on this side. And we just need to bring this guy over. Alright, all that's left is to plate them. Like so. Alright, that's all I can currently fit on here. And no, Grandma would be happy if you didn't have the mint sauce. Just a little drizzle. And so, I will turn them around. And we have it. 2 beautiful plates of lamb lollipops. I know I said it twice already, but sucks to be you. It tastes amazing. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe down below. I can't talk because my mouth is full. And my mom's over on the couch judging me. Well, like and subscribe. Let me know what you want me to do. We'll see you next time.